Hello, hello. Welcome to day 2 of this 21 days of energy. I am Rachel from Reiki with Rachael. I want to apologize for the noise. For those of you who didn't watch day 1, I live in lofts and there's a lot going on with the hurricane. We're supposed to get hit with a hurricane soon, so you might see some trees blown in the background. I tried to set myself up in front of a window so I'd get some light. So we're just sending love and light to everybody who's been affected by that. So in this 21 days of energy, every single day we're going to pull an oracle card from the Soul's Journey or Oracle Cards by James Van Praagh. And we're going to talk about it and just talk about the daily energy for a little bit. And then after, we're going to do a 5-minute energy session to really balance our energy and flow energy based on what is going on today. So let's see what we got. Today's card is discipline. Boop. There it is. I'll read it. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. Yesterday's card was doubt. And so it makes a lot of sense that today's is discipline. Because what happens when we get rid of doubt? We have to start taking action, right? And what do you need when you start taking action? You need discipline. You need mental discipline whenever old thoughts, subconscious, limiting beliefs come up. You need physical discipline. You need discipline with time management. You need discipline, especially to where you're putting your energy. And I'm really, as I'm saying this, that's what I really feel like we need to focus on today is disciplining ourselves where we focus our energy. Is this focus of energy going to be getting us closer to where we want to be or further away? Are you doing things in your life that would lead to your best life? What are you paying attention to? Are you stuck still in a pattern of paying attention to all the negatives, to thinking about all the things that could go wrong? Today is the day to really shift. And to be able to make this energy shift, it requires discipline. I think so many of us get very defeated because we'll do things like meditation, affirmations, we'll listen to oracle card readings, or we'll pull oracle cards for ourselves, and it makes so much sense what they're saying, but then we go throughout our lives and we fall back into old habits, old patterns. And the reason for this is over a course of time, and it could have been this lifetime, it could be many lifetimes, we have just developed specific energy patterns. That can be a pessimistic outlook, it can be a fear-based or a doubt-based or an anger-based energy pattern. I mean, we all have the junk, and last video I talked a lot about how we've spent a lot of time reviewing this, and that's what the retrogrades were all about. So I feel like a lot of us are aware of these energy patterns, which is great, because once you are aware, then you can discipline yourself to shift them. It just doesn't happen like that. You can listen to a meditation that can help you, let's say, shift an energy pattern. But the thing is, once you're done with that meditation, you might feel good for like an hour or two, but unless you continue with that discipline, then that momentum dissipates. So then by 5 o'clock in the evening, you're ready to kill everybody again and hate the world. It's not that you're a bad person, it's just that we get tired and we fall back into old habits. And the second that we get tired and the second that we let go of some of this discipline, then that old energy that we're used to just whoosh, sweeps us back up. And with time, it absolutely gets easier. But for today, what I want you to do and what I think this card is indicating is what I know this card is indicating. That's something that I do is doubt myself. So yesterday's card was definitely pertinent to me, and I need to be more sure whenever I speak, because I know that what I'm saying is the truth, and I know that who I'm speaking it to, whoever is tuning in right now, I'm speaking to you. So I need to find the discipline within myself to make sure that I come from a very secure place while I'm bringing this energy to you and while I'm speaking to you. Thanks universe for allowing me to set an example here. What we're going to focus on then in this energy healing session is giving you energy and allowing you to build up this new positive energy that's going to help with this discipline as the day goes on. I encourage you to maybe a few times today either just go back to this energy session and just play it, or check out some of my other videos on YouTube with 10-minute Reiki energy sessions, because we get tired and we need some more energy. That's all it is. We just get tired. There's unlimited energy, but unless we're channeling it, we run out, and then we get swept up into old patterns. So today, let's focus on this discipline. Disciplining our thoughts, disciplining our actions, disciplining our focus, and disciplining our energy so that we can begin to build new momentum and new patterns of thought and energy and behavior that's going to lead us to where we want to be. This is the perfect second card. I mean, of course it is. It's all divinely guided. So this is exactly what we need to be working on today. Let me set my timer really quick, and we are going to start the energy healing session. Oops. All you have to do is sit back and relax, close your eyes. If you're not in a place where you can close your eyes and lie down, then the energy is still going to affect you. But I do encourage you maybe once today to try and get to a place where you can relax and really just soak this energy up. So I am not going to talk for the next 5 minutes. I'm going to connect with your energy, do some symbols, and then just flow pure positive, high vibrational energy. If you have a discipline intention that you want to set, then maybe this would be disciplining your thoughts or your focus or your behavior. Feel free to set that now, and then just let go and let the energy do the work. Or if you don't have a specific intention, that's perfectly fine. The energy knows where to go. The energy knows how to help you. Okay, let's get started. wiping out the negative energy in your field. Wiping it off me. Disconnecting. So be it and so it is. Thank you. Well, I hope you enjoyed that energy session, and I hope that it helps you stay disciplined for the rest of today and the rest of your journey moving forward. I'm excited to see how this all progresses, and I hope that you are as well. I am personally loving this so much so far. So again, Rachel from Reiki with Rachael. All of my information's in the notes, my website, and all the places to find me. So I wish you a beautiful day. Love and light.